Biomedical Service Department is the closest partner to Zipline. They deliver the blood that the drones bring out to the public hospitals. I want to ask them if this project is actually making a difference.
Our mission as the National Center for Blood Transfusion is to provide transfusion services in a way that at our best. We collect blood given by volunteer donors. We process it, we screen it for infectious diseases, and wherever we judge safe for our patient, we distribute across our hospital networks. We used to use classical way, as all Africa, across Africa, everything's done by truck. But seeing the geography of our country, seeing the mountainous terrain of our country, it has been always very difficult to reach some areas timely. So the drone concept was like a game changer, because drone is no longer going around hills, they go over hills. So they can make what we were making in hours, make it just in minutes. And that, when you are talking about saving a life, that matters. Normally the drone I used to see on TV, it is drones just carrying missiles. Now we have drones carrying life to save another life. So with the Zipline, the concept was great, the technology was there, and we wanted to make Rwanda a platform whereby the world will see that you can fly life to save other lives. I'm not a Zipline guy, but I like their service. And we hope that this kind of technology will really transform the way we service our nation. Zipline is a service distributor. The Rwandan government is a partner within that service. We pay a fee for each delivery. And so far, they have been great, and you are about to sign a 3-year contract with them, and even expand. They will no longer be just transporting blood, but also will be transporting drugs, other medical products. So far, they are covering 18 hospitals out of 21, according to phase 1. But what we are contemplating is to see them not only cover the whole south and western part of Rwanda, 21 hospitals, but also the eastern and northern part of Rwanda, which will give Zipline 90% of our hospitals covered by their services. There is a range so far which is excluded. This is the range around Kigali because of the airport. It is not only about servicing, delivering things. We want to see Zipline construct center of excellence for robotics. We want young Rwandese to dream big and to manufacture drones. We want Rwandese who see drones now no longer think it is something which is unreachable. We want them to design, we want them to engineer, we want them to fly them, we want them to see them involved within that partnership. And we want Rwanda to harvest dividends. As Zipline expands, Rwanda should also expand and get some dividend from that partnership. So that's how we see how the partnership can grow and even be big and greater for Zipline and for Rwanda too.